How to remove secret chat in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to remove secret chat on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now simply open the secret chat on this Telegram app just like this. After that, here you can find the name of the chat at the top. Just right here, select it. Then here you can find more options, just right here, tap on it. Then here you can find clear messages, just right here, select it. Now here you can find do you want to delete all messages. Now delete for me and father, simply tap on it. And now you can see the chat has been cleared. And that's it. This is how you can remove secret chat in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.